Hello everyone, today I will show you a brief overview of the basic skills and skill trees in Black Myth Wukong. First, of course, I will go into the main menu by pressing the escape button or the menu button on your controller, and right here in the self-advanced section you have abilities and unawakened abilities. Right here is the basic two sections are the staff stances and the foundations. In the foundations, as you can see, there are three different subsections: stamina, martial arts and survival. As you can probably guess, they are what they sound like. Stamina focuses on dodges, movement, and well, stamina, dodges and movement. Basically that's it. As you can see, I already took a simian agility, which decreases my dodge cost for each level. There is another one to increase the dodge effectiveness. There is reducing the stamina cost of sprinting, the recovery rate of the stamina, and and composure, which unlocks the dodging no longer interrupts light combo. And this also applies to perfect dodges, which is really useful for continuing to pressure the enemies. Featherlight, reducing the jump cost, as I said, and focus breath, which increases the stamina recovery when your HP is high. These three focuses on perfect dodges, and finally, perfect dodges leave illusion, which explodes instantly, dealing damage to nearby enemies. Really useful stuff. Martial arts, of course, still focuses on your martial arts. This one is really useful, increasing the engage distance of your light attack starter. These three skills focus on your mobile spin and staff spin abilities, as you can see. There's finishers, strikes, and other useful things for the light attack combos. Right here, this ability reduces the cost of the light attack spin, and finally increasing the focus gain for the successful hits with the mobile spin. Survival grants you survival. Here is perks for more health, HP, and more stamina. You can also, as you can see, there are some locked skills behind certain levels, and we won't focus on them because this is a beginner overview of the skill trees. Alright, in the staff stances, there is as you can see, three options that are separate from the other three trees. As you can see, with hovering over them, those abilities, skills, reflect lines on your skill tree. They serve to unlock your focus points from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4, and they also unlock certain sections of the skill trees, as you can see. Here are other skills that are not connected to any skill tree. You can pick them at any point, as soon as you unlock them. They provide you with some positive benefits, such as increasing the health recovery upon consumption of the focus point. The smash stance focuses on smashing, so it focuses on power attacks, and other combo, damage reduction, and upgrading your other pieces of the combo. The pillar stance and the thrust stance are locked behind the level cap. I'll go and overview the pillar stance because it's locked behind the 5th level. You quickly unlock this, and as you can see, the Destined One can support himself on the pillar, standing on his staff, and you can also ascend to it by holding a heavy attack. You can avoid ground attacks in the process by doing so. Here is a bit description. If the staff is hit by an enemy while perching, the more stamina will be consumed to maintain the balance. As you can see, there are other abilities you can unlock and upgrade in this combo, in this stance. You can unlock the Sweeping Gale and upgrade it. Up to this, right here is a different a variant of this. While consuming a focus point, it gives you a Churning Gale, which is a finisher to the Sweeping Gale. And here, Churning Gale depletes all your focus points and deals damage based on the amounts of focus point consumed. This pillar reduces the stamina cost of maintaining balance. Here, it allows you to heal yourself with the guard while on the staff, and right here, you no longer fall to the ground when perching, instead executing a heavy attack upon stamina depletion. Quite useful stuff. Stuff. Well, I think that's it. The only other things I can tell you is that you earn sparks through will, which is earned by killing enemies, but I think you already knew that. It's the skill points and XP of this game. I will return to the main game, and thank you for watching, because your attention and well, this community means to us a lot. Thank you once again for watching, but please remember to comment, like and subscribe to maybe see more videos like this, overviewing more advanced skills, other tricks, and maybe some walkthroughs for certain bosses or areas.